Congratulations on getting the Freedom Formula Blueprint. So your next step is to check your email. If you do not see it, wait about 5 to 10 minutes and it probably went to your spam or promotions folder. Check it out. But I want to introduce you to Matt. Matt is a dad of how many kids?
6 kids.
He's the dad of 6 kids. And who do you like to work with?
I love to work with dads.
Yeah. So share with them a little bit about your story.
So I help dads create a 6-figure online business following a 2-hour workday so that they can be a stay-home dad and do what they love to do.
Okay, so most dads work 40, 50, 60 hours. So what the heck? How can you actually make money in 2 hours a day?
So I love it. And this is what one thing that attracted me to this is the 2-hour workday where Michelle has taught us how to master a 2-hour workday. And that appealed to me so much because as a dad and you're working full time, how do you build a business online where you're working still full time and not lose time with your family? That was super important to me. And this 2-hour workday, what it is you post 3 videos a day. Okay, you do that in under an hour. Then you take a half hour posting free ads online, and which is an awesome strategy and super powerful. And then you take another half hour and you reply to comments and emails and help people be successful too.
And the thing, here's why this is so important, because structure equals freedom, for one. And if you can be structured with just priority focused time, you can get so much more done. And this program was geared around busy parents. I mean, I'm a mom of 6 kids and I'm a grandma to 5. And I was sick and tired of having to look at my bank account to do anything. I was sick and tired of dealing with guilt because I couldn't do the things that I wanted to do for my family. So I was ready for change. I was actually terrified though to launch into the digital space because I'm an introvert. I do not know tech. I do not like tech. So I was hesitant. And that's when I discovered this process that you're learning, this process that you're going to get in the Freedom Formula Blueprint. That process that you're getting that's in your email waiting on you has created 110 6-figure income earners and 19 self-made millionaires in South Africa ran. But I took that strategy and made 6 figures in 6 months and my first million in 17 months while I had more time with my family. We did the math, and in 2024, over the summer, we were home 6 days from June to August. We just traveled. We just traveled with our family, and we made more money because we can get everything done in 2 hours a day from our phone. And that was something that was so important to me. But here's why you can make 6 and 7 figures, because a lot of people have a hard time wrapping their head around that. It's because our number one selling product is $900, and it is in the e-learning industry, which is the fastest growing industry out there. The e-learning industry does $1.2 billion a day. If you go back to like 2019, it was only doing 950 a year. 950 million a year, and now it is 1.2 billion a day. I wanted to be part of that industry, but I wanted to grow a business that was on autopilot, and that is why I chose the digital space. So your next step is to go right below here. You're going to see Matt's website. Matt's website is going to walk you through the 4 different digital programs. Now, do you offer a payment plan?
I do.
Okay, so we have payment plans as well, so you can take advantage of that and get your first customer, get your business in profit mode even before you have a payment due. What you're going to learn is you're going to learn how to make 100% profit. You're going to learn how to master that 2-hour workday. You're going to learn how to build an email list, but you're going to learn how to use social media the right way to grow a wildly successful business. So as a busy father, what would be your best advice talking to other fathers right now about launching their own online business?
The best advice I would have for you is to don't hesitate. I found Michelle through someone else in your community, and I watched people in this community for 8 months. And I wish I'd taken action sooner. I'd be 8 months ahead. And what have I missed out on? And so think of it this way. If you don't do anything now, nothing's going to change. And so you've got to take action to make change because nothing will if you don't.
Right. And the digital space isn't going anywhere.
It's not.
It's not. You can't go anywhere without people being on their phone. So why wouldn't you want to learn the skills to create your own online platform, your own social media platform just for your business and be able to grow a wildly successful business. You can still keep your other platforms to scroll or, hang out with your friends and family. We literally show you how to take a brand new social media account and build a wildly successful 6 and 7-figure business. So if that is something you want, I want to be the first to welcome you to the community. Just go right down here, give on Matt's website, look at the 4 programs, get the one that's best for you, and get inside the community. So we'll see you inside.